Good morning, dear children. Your Ajit teacher is here. We are starting with the math. Okay. So where we stopped, children? We stopped exercise 1.2, question number 10. Up to question number 10, we had done the last class. So we are starting with the question number 11 now. All are ready? Ready, children? Okay. Take out your textbook and notebook. We are starting with the question number 11. We are starting with the question number 11. All of you take your textbook and mark the question number 11. Don't write the question in the notebook. Just listen to the question in the textbook. What is the question number 11, children? Teacher is reading. Just listen to the question. The distance between the school and a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both the ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. That is a question. The distance between the school and a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Okay, this given 1 kilometer 875 meter is the distance between the school and the house. Every day that girl is walking both the ways. Both the ways means the morning also she is walking to the school and in the afternoon also she is walking towards the home. So both the ways she is walking. Find the total distance she walked in 6 days. That is a question. Okay. See. Suppose this is the school and this is her house. Okay, just teacher is drawing like that. This is her girl's house and this is the school. She is walking from the house to school 1 kilometer 875 meter. Okay. Then again afternoon from the school to home she is walking back. That also same distance. Then how much distance has she traveled? She cover in 6 days. That is a question. Okay, children. So teacher just make a rough figure to make you understand. Teacher draw a house, that is her house. From the house, and this is a school. From this house to school, she is walking daily 2 times. Daily she is walking 2 times. The morning she is walking 1 kilometer 875 meter towards the school. And in the afternoon also she is traveling. She is walking the same distance to the home. So you have to find what is the total distance that she covered or she walked in 6 days. That is a question. So teacher is writing the statement. This is in the refer column. If you want, you can make. Okay. Teacher is writing the answer here. Distance walked in 1 day. 1 day, how much distance she walked? That is the first statement. How much distance she walked in 1 day? 1 kilometer 875 meter multiplied by 2. Why teacher is multiplied by 2? Because in 1 day itself she is walking 2 ways. Okay, towards the school and after that towards home. So 2 times she is walking. So in 1 day she is traveling she is walking 2 times. So we have to multiply the number given by 2. So 1 kilometer 875 meter multiplied by 2. What is the answer, children? You can make it in the refer column. Working column teacher is doing here only. All of you check the answer. Teacher wrote correct or wrong. Teacher multiplied like that. 5 2s are 10. Then 1 carry over. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15. 1 carry over. 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 17. 1 carry over. 2 ones are 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer teacher got 3 kilometers 750 meter. That means in one day she is covering the distance 3 kilometers 750 meter. Because in the morning also she is walking to the school, afternoon also she is walking towards the home. So one day 2 times she is walking. That distance is 1 kilometer 875 meter. So we had to multiply by 2, then only you will get it. One day how much she traveled. So one day she walked 3 kilometers 750 meter. See children, you people are walking like this? No, not at all. You are always using the vehicle to travel, right? Now, what is the question? Actually the question is, what is the distance she traveled, she walked? Distance walked in 6 days. That is the question. We are having only 5 days, but see, that girl is going to the school 6 days in a week. Distance walked in 6 days means, how to find that? We got one day how much? 3 kilometer 750 meter in one day. For 6 days means multiply that one with the 6. Because one day she is walking 3 kilometers 750 meter. Then for 6 days we had to multiply with the 6. You had to make it in working column. Teacher wrote it here only. Teacher got the answer 22 kilometer 500 meter. You have to check it children, that is correct or wrong. 22 kilometer 500 meter teacher got it. You check the answer, you also multiply, don't see the answer first. First do yourself and recheck the answer with the board answer, okay children? So understood this one? Distance walked in one day means that is given distance we are multiplying by 2. Why? Because she is walking both the ways, okay? From home to school she is walking, then afternoon from school to home also she is walking. So that is what we multiplied by 2. So we got an answer. Then how much distance she walked then? How much she walked then? 6 days means. Okay children, so we multiplied the answer with the 6. We got the answer 22 kilometer 500 meter. Is it clear children? We got the answer 22 kilometer 500 meter. Is it correct? Okay. Now you understood clearly, right? Because this is a distance traveled a girl from home to school and a returning distance in 6 days. That is the question. Okay, we found the total distance she walked in 6 days. Understood? See how much she walked in 6 days. 22 kilometer 500 meters. So much she walked. See? So teacher is, hope you did this, understood this one. Teacher is moving to the next one. Understood, right? This is very easy question. The first thing you have to multiply the given distance by 2. That is a very important thing. Then only we can get how much she walked in one day. One day she is walking 2 times. That is what we multiplied by 2. Then that answer again multiplied by 6. Why? Because we want to find the distance walked in 6 days. Clear children? Okay. Then we can move to the next question. Question number 12. Is it clear? Teacher is going to the next one. Question number, last problem solving, okay? Question number 12, that is the last one. What is the question? A vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses, each of 25 milliliter capacity, can it be filled? That is the question. A vessel has, vessel means a big vessel has curd inside this, okay? That curd, how many quantities of curd is there? That is 4 liter, 500 milliliter curd is there in a big vessel, okay? That curd is taking into glasses each of 25 ml capacity. This curd is, this is pouring into glasses. Each glass is having the capacity 25 ml. Then the question is, how many glasses can it be filled? How many glasses can it be filled? That is the question. Okay, a big vessel is there. That vessel is having 4 liter and 500 milliliter of curd inside that. That curd we have to pour it into small glasses. Each glass capacity is 25 milliliter. Then how many glasses can it be filled? That is the question. How many glasses? So what we will do? How many glasses means we have to do the division. Division we have to do. So how to write the statement? First teacher is writing quantity. Quantity or capacity also you can write, okay? Here teacher is writing quantity of curd in a vessel. Or you can write capacity of a vessel. That is simple step. That is also easy. Okay, capacity of a vessel you can write simply. Quantity of curd in a vessel is 4 liter 500 milliliter. For making division easier, teacher is converting this into milliliter. You know 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. So 4 liter is how many milliliter? 4 liter become 4000 milliliter. So this become 4000 plus 500, that become 4500 milliliter. For making the division easier, first of all teacher convert the liter to milliliter. 1 liter 1000 milliliter. So 4 liter 4000 milliliter. 4000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter together makes 4500 milliliter. That is the capacity of the vessel. That is the quantity of curd in the vessel or the capacity of the vessel. Then what we want? Quantity of curd in a glass. In a glass. In a 1 glass, how much curd we can fill it? We can fill, that is only 25 ml in 1 glass. We can fill only 25 ml in a small glass. Then they are asking the question, how many glasses can it be filled? How many glasses? So number of glasses you have to find. Number of glasses means how many, the question how many glasses we should divide. Number of glasses needed means teacher is dividing 4500 divided by 25. Okay? Teacher is dividing 4500 divided by 25. So 4500 you can do the long division. Teacher is moving to the next page for division. Before I am finishing, you have to do it in the notebook and check the answer, okay? Teacher is moving to the next page. 4500 divided by 25. Don't see the board answer. You do in the working column, find out the answer and check the answer with the board answer, okay? So 4500 divided by 25. We are taking, this is a divisor is a 2-digit number. So dividend also, first we will take 2 digit and check 45. 25 table of 25, 45 is coming only 1 time because 25 twos are 50. So 1 time we are always taking the lesser number. So 25 ones are 25. Then we are minusing. See, I got the remainder 20. After getting the remainder, bring the next number down, 200 now. So 25 table 200 is 8 times 200. Minus it 0, then also 1 more 0 is there, bring it down. So again 0 times 0. So the remainder we are getting 0 and the quotient we got 180. So children, you also got the same answer, you had to check it, okay? Teacher got 180 glasses, teacher got 180. In the division, this division you do it in the working column and find out the answer. See, teacher got 180. You check your answer also. Okay? So what teacher has to write? Teacher has to write here in the step number of glasses needed means that is 180 glasses. Teacher has to write like this. So we need 180 glasses to fill this 4500 ml of curd. One more time. Okay? The question is, a vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. Curd means all of you know, yogurt, that one you know. So 4 liter 500 milliliter of curd means we have to convert that into milliliter for making the calculation easier. So you know 1 liter 1000 milliliter, 4 liter 4000 milliliter. 4000 milliliter and 500 milliliter. Together it form 4500 milliliter. Then what is the capacity of each glass? Capacity of each glass is, that is 25 ml. That is 25 ml. 25 ml. Then you have to find how many glasses, same like how many glasses can it be filled. So we have to divide 4,500 divided by 25. In division, we will get 180 glasses. Is it clear, children? Hope you understood very well these two questions. Okay? Now teacher is moving to the next topic, that is the estimation. It's very interesting topic. Okay? So hope you understood all the word problems. Word problems, I did not give so many homework here. Most of the questions we had done in the class only. So we finished all the 12 questions in the class. So hope you did all this. Now we are going to the next topic. Shall I move, children? You finish? Okay, we are moving to the next page. Next topic is important topic. Write it neatly in the notebook. Estimation. Daily you have to write the date before starting the work. Okay, children? Don't forget that. Daily you have to write the date in the notebook. Teacher wanted to see it like that. Okay? Date clearly. How we have done in the class, same way you have to do. So today's actually our topic is starting. Today's topic is estimation. Children, what is estimation? We have studied grade 4 onwards. We are learning here in our school estimation. What is the meaning of estimation, children? Estimation. Where we will use estimation? Suppose the number of people are more. Somebody is asking, what is the strength of your school? What is the strength of your school means you don't know how to say that. We will say an approximate answer. It is around 3,000, we will say 3,000. We don't know actual number, so we will say an approximate number. Sometimes, how many people came for a fair or a function? We don't know how to say the correct number. At that time, we will use an estimation. We will say around 5,000 people came or around 10,000 people came. Like that we are saying. That is known as estimation. Actual numbers, if the actual numbers are coming very big, we will use the estimation. Okay? That is that in daily life, that purpose only we are using this estimation. Also known as, estimation is also known as, last year you studied, that is rounding. Estimation is also known as rounding off or round off. Estimation is also known as a round off, or we can say this is approximation. This all are same, okay? Approximation, estimation, round off, this all represent the same meaning, okay? So this all we can use instead of estimation. So how to estimate? First teacher is explaining you how to estimate nearest tens place. So first topic is, also you know the symbol we have studied last year. Here only we had to put estimation sign like this we have put last year. Okay? But this year in your book, NCERT book, it is not shown like this. Just marked as arrow mark. Both are okay. But if you want those who studied last year like this, they can use that symbol also. That is also correct. First teacher is going to show you round off nearest tens. Teacher is using the word round off, meaning is estimation. Round off nearest tens. How to round nearest 10? Okay? See, listen, just an example. Don't write this one, just write the heading and stop and listen, stop there and listen to me. Teacher is doing some example, okay? Don't write that one now. See, suppose the number is 24. 24, we have to round off nearest tens. You know, in your brain, 24 is in between, 24 is in between 20 and 30. Correct, children? 24 is in between 20 and 30. 24 is in between 20 and 30. These two are the nearest tens. Then, rounding means this 24 is close to which 10? Close to which number? 24 is close to 20 or 24 is close to 30? Which one is close? Obviously, 24 is close to 20. That means we will write 24 approximation or the estimation is 20. Suppose if it is 27 children, 27. 27 is nearest to which 10, 20 or 30? Of course, that is nearest to 30. That means 27 is nearest to 30. We will say like that. But if it is coming 25, if it is coming 25, 25 is exact middle of 20 and 30, exactly in the middle portion. Then how will you write the estimation of 25? Then we will take the bigger tens, bigger number only. Okay? 25, if it is coming like the exact middle means we will take the bigger number. So 25 is also nearest to 30 we will say. We will not say 20. So 25 also nearest to 30 we will say. Okay? This is the way we are estimating round off nearest to tens. Then no need of writing this one, teacher will show that one. But heading should be there, round off nearest tens. Some rules are there, how to write this estimation without this one, okay? Without this, we can do the estimation. Teacher will show the some general rule is there. So teacher is going to the next page. Rounding off to the nearest tens. Okay, suppose the number, example, this you had to write, okay, that is just explanation teacher did it. This one you had to write. If suppose 76, rule teacher is telling how to do the rule, okay, listen carefully. If the number is, we want to estimate nearest 10. What is the rule means? We have to see the ones place. The digit, number of digits are only 2 digits. Ones and the tens place is there. So in this case, what you have to do means you have to see the ones digit. Ones digit. See, teacher made a slash in between the tens and ones place. And the teacher is looking ones place. The ones place is 5 or more than 5, the tens digit will change. See this one, this is more than 5, 6 is more than 5. So this 7, tens place will be 8 and ones place 0. This is the rule we are using. So 76 is nearest to 80. Okay, otherwise you think in the brain also you can understand that 76 is between 70 and 80, but it is closer to 80. Okay, so you can understand like that way also. But this is the rule we are applying. In the book it is shown like this, the rule. Okay, suppose the number, if it is 83 children, 83. How teacher will do? Teacher has to make a line like this and check the ones place. The ones place is less than 5. Less than 5 means this number will not change. 8 is same like that, no change, then put the 0. If it is 95, okay, write the example, same like this. 95 means, see the ones place 5. What teacher said? The ones digit is 5 or more than 5, then the tens place change. So this ones place is 5, tens place is changing. Tens place become 9 become 10, the next number, and this ones place is 0. So 95 become 100. 95 become 100. Okay. Then one more example teacher is writing. fourth example, okay? If the number is 156, suppose they have given 3-digit number. How to estimate nearest to 10 means the same thing, children. Same thing. After the tens place, make a slash and see only the ones place. Ones place is 5 or more than 5. Tens place will change. So this become 1. Then 5 becomes 6 because this is more than 5. See, this is 160. Okay? For a rounding of nearest to the tens means always see the ones digit. Ones place is 5 or more than 5. The tens place will change. The ones place is less than 5. There is no change. Okay? This is the way we are rounding. Rounding off to the nearest tens. Nearest tens means tens. Tens means 10 is every 1 0, so the last everywhere 1 0 will come in the answer. Okay, remember that. So 76. 76 means after ones place first we will see. Ones place is 6, that is more than 5. So this tens place 7 become 8, and the ones place you have to add a 0, 80. Then next one 83. 83 ones place is less than 5, that is 3. No change will come in the tens place as it is. 8 is same like that, and ones place definitely you have to put a 0. Then only that estimation will complete. Next 95. Ones place is 5. The ones place is 5 or more than 5. The tens place will change to the next number. So 9 become 10, and ones place you have to put as 0. Then if suppose 3 digits are there, 156, estimate nearest to tens. Means you have to see the ones digit, that is 6, that is more than 5. So the tens place is changing. 5 is changing to 6. 160. So other digits are not changing, only the tens digit is changing. Understood, children? Write that examples. Take out your page number 19. Page after writing this, take out your page number 19. Page number 19. Page number 19. Try this. Some questions are there. Round these numbers to the nearest tens. That is in the page number 19, the top. Try these questions are there. Round this number to the nearest 10. Questions are 28, 32, 52, 41, 39, 48, 64, 59, 99, like that. Okay? Yes, 12 questions are there. That question you try as homework. Okay? Do it in the notebook only. Try that questions as homework. Round off to the nearest 10. Nearest 10 means you can put arrow mark. In the textbook it is shown arrow mark. You can put arrow or the approximation sign. Last year we learned. Okay? Both are correct. Next, okay, one 4-digit number also teacher will show. One more example. Example number 5. 3257. How to estimate this number nearest 10? Estimate nearest 10 means always you have to see the ones place first. Okay? You have to see the ones place. So teacher is see ones place is what? 7. The ones place is 5 or more than 5. The tens place is changing. So this one, see teacher is writing 3, 2, 5 is changing to 6, and the ones place is 0. See, the answer is 3260. Understood, children? This is the way we are estimating nearest tens. Okay? Then next one, so write this example and make that one as homework. Next teacher is giving round of nearest hundreds. Okay? Second part. Second estimation is, second one put number 2. Round of nearest hundreds. Write in the notebook, children. Round of nearest hundreds. The same way, okay? This is also teacher said, very simple this one. Example only. How to, example 1 teacher is showing. Nearest 100 means always the number should be 3-digit number or 4-digit, more than 3-digit it will come. See, number is 743. We want to estimate nearest 100. Nearest 100 means last 2 digits should be 0, nearest 100. So, how to estimate nearest 100 means, you have to see, children, see teacher is doing 743. We have to see the tens place, after 100, 1, 10, 100. After 100 make a slash and see the tens digit. The tens digit is 5 or more than 5, the hundredths digit is changing, otherwise no change. See here the tens digit, what is the tens digit? 4, less than 5, less than 5. So here 100 place is not changing. So the 100 place not changing means 700 is the answer. 700 is the answer. Question number 2, example number 2. Okay, write it down like this. If it is 568, nearest 100, the question is nearest 100. So 568, nearest 100 means after the 100 place, 1, 10, 100, make a slash and see the tens place, okay? Tens place. Tens place is what? More than 5, 6, it is bigger, greater than 5. So what teacher said? The hundreds place is changing. Hundreds place is changing to 6, then put the 2 zeros. After the slash, these 2 digits become 0. Tens and ones place become 0. Only change is coming in the hundreds place. Next, one more example. Teacher is doing a 4-digit number. Okay? If it is 1674, 4-digit number. So 1, 10, 100, 1000. We want to estimate nearest 100. So 1, 10, 100. After the 100, make a slash here. And see this number. This number is more than 5. So the answer becomes 1700. Correct, children? Okay? That is all, children. Hope you understood the nearest 10 and the nearest hundreds very well.